All right, you guys, we're gonna get started with a lower body burn. It's 15 minutes. We need a set of weights, so go ahead and grab those and we'll get started. All right, you guys, we're gonna meet in a split lunge. Hinge forward from your waist. Let those weights just hang from your shoulders and make sure that the front knee is over your ankle. We're gonna start by bending, 2 counts to lower, 2 counts to lift. So you're really pushing into the base of your glutes on that supporting right leg. You're gonna feel it in that back quad as well. Exhale as you lift. Sink it low, make sure your core is engaged. Keep it going, down and up. Down and up. You should start to feel that fire. Lower and press. Woo! We have 4 more full range, just like this. Sink low and lift. 3, really feeling that right glute on fire. Last one here. You got it, y'all. Hold it at the top, little pulses. Down, down, pulse, and pulse. Make sure you're hinging forward. We have 4. We have 3. We're gonna change it up here in 2. On 1, lift your chest and pulse down. Down, so now our shoulders right over those hips. You're gonna feel it now in this quad. Stay here for 8. We have 6. You got it, y'all. 4, 3. We're gonna come to the center. Sink it low. Down and up. Down and up. So you're rotating in your hips, finding those inner and outer thighs. Maybe drop the weights right below your shoulders. Whew, good. Take it to a little pulse down. It's down, down. Let those weights feel like a little anchor. Pulling your tailbone closer to the ground. Just 4, 3, 2. On 1, we're gonna head into side 2. Hinge forward, core tight, 2 counts. Down for 2, lift for 2. Down for 2. Dominant burn now in our front glute, left side. Big press. We're hinging forward, so you have a gaze down at that front foot. Lower. Exhale to lift. Lower. Exhale to lift. Keep it going, y'all. Keep those shoulders away from your ears. Down and up. Inhale and exhale. Oh yeah, feeling that burn. We have 4 more on the second side. 3 and press. Good, you have 2. 1 more. Good, let's take it into a little pulse. Down, down. Pulse, pulse. Really dig that heel into the ground. Keep breathing. We have 8. We have 6. We change up that burn in 4, 3. Just lift that chest. Keep pulsing. Down, down. Pulse and pulse. So strong, so fierce. Stay with me, y'all. We're here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it to the center. Turn your toes out. Legs are wide. We sink down and up. Down and up. Yes. Shoulders right over those hips. Inner and outer thighs are our dominant burn here. You got it. Just a couple more. Good. Let's hold it low. Little pulse. Down and down. Proud chest. Woo! Breathe, y'all. Sometimes the smallest movements are the most killer. Stay here for 8, 7, come on, 6. We head to the ground after this. Last 4, 3, you made it. 2, let's just flush it out right here. Take it down and up, lower, lift, lower and lift. Inhale and exhale. Last 4, 3, so strong. 2, On one. Stretch it out, y'all. Baby down on the ground. Let's work that booty. All right. Starting off on our right side, rest your head down. Take one of those weights, place it on the left thigh, extend the leg straight. We're gonna lift the leg up an inch, down an inch, tap the knees, extend. Up an inch, down an inch, kiss the knees, extend. Your leg is out from your hip. Squeeze those inner thighs. Lift, drop, in and out. Lift, lower, in and out. Feeling it in that outer thigh, outer glute. Good, just hold the leg straight, little lifts, up, up, lift, and lift. Woo! Good, keep breathing. We have 8. Keeping those shoulders back, strong upper body. Let's take it into a circle slow. Circle around for 2, around for 2. Woo! It burns. For 4, for 3. Can you flex that heel, send energy out the heel? We're just gonna reverse that circle here for 8, 6, 4, last 3. Get ready for your grand finale on this first side. Last one, just hold and freeze. 4, 3, 2, on 1. You can set that leg down, knock it out. All right, you guys, press yourself up and flip those legs around. Side 2, meet you down on the ground. Left upper body is flat, knees in. Take that weight, place it on top of your right thigh, extend the leg straight, flex the heel. You have 2 moves. You lift, we lower, knees, kiss, and press. Lift, lower, knees, kiss, and press. Lift, lower, squeeze. Lift, lower, squeeze. Lift, lower, squeeze. Last time. Good. Take that to the beat. Little lift. Up and up. Lift and lift. Energy out that heel. Burning out that glute. 8, 6. So strong. And 4, 3. We take that circle nice and slow. Carve it back. Carve it back. Keep breathing. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, y'all. 2 more this direction. Good, let's reverse that circle 8 times. 7. So strong. 4, 3, yes, 2, on 1, isometric hold, just freeze for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, set that leg down, drop your weight, shake it out. All right, we're gonna head into some hamstring and base of our glute work. So come on to all fours, you guys. We're gonna take one of our weights and place it behind that right knee. Flex that right heel. And then hands are gonna be right underneath those shoulder blades. Press your shoulders away from your ears. Engage your core, back is flat. That heel is gonna press up for 2, lower for 2. Press for 2, then lower for 2. So you're gonna send that heel up, and you're not gonna arch your back as you do it, which I tend to do. So really push through the palms and feel the engagement in your abdominal wall. And if you start to feel an arch, maybe press your leg a little lower. You can still get that dominant burn in the hamstring and the base of the booty. Keep going. 8, lower, big push, and lower. 4 more here. 3. Last 2. Final one, you guys. I want you to hold this one up at the top. Hold right there. Little press to the beat. Take it up. Up. Press and press. Woo! Keep those hips square. We have 8, We have 6, finish with a bang. In 4, 3, 2, isometric hold, just freeze for 4, 3, last 2. On one, you can set that leg down, roll your wrists out. We're heading into side 2, final 5 minutes of class, you guys. So switch the weight behind your left knee this time, hands underneath those shoulders, shoulders away from your ears, soft bend in the elbows. Flex that left heel, zip up your core. 2 counts, we press that heel up for 2 and down for 2. Woo. Push it up, lower back down. Our hips stay square. We are in control here. Big push and pull. Lift and drop. Big press, squeeze to lower, big press. Yes, you guys, give me 4 more. And lower. 3, and lower. Keep those abs engaged. Lower back down. Last one, let's hold this one up at the top. Take that little press right here, it's up, up. You got it, y'all. Here's 8. Get ready for that grand finale hold. In 4, 3, 2, hold, freeze right here, just 4, 3, 2, on 1. You can drop that leg down, press yourself on up, you guys. We're heading on to our back for our final push of class. So lay on back, take your back flat, take those weights and place them on top of your hips. I want you to start with your feet more narrow in line with your hips, and we'll take our left leg straight up to the ceiling, flex through that heel, maybe take both weights on that supporting hip. We start to press up 2 counts right here. We press up for 2, lower down for 2, press up for 2, lower down for 2. Send those hips up, lower back down. Feel that little hold at the top, hold there, and feel that shake. Good, up and down. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift. Let's go a little faster. 8 times to the beat. We press for 8, 7, 6. Breathe. We have 4. We have 3. So close. Here's 2. Hold it at the top. Little press. 8 times. Go. 8, 6. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Drop your hips down. Set that left foot to the ground. Switch your weights over. And then we send that right leg to the sky. 2 counts. Start slow. We lift for 2. And drop for 2. Lift for 2. Dominant burn in the supporting hip here. Lift for 2. Drop, drop, drop. Feeling that little freeze at the top. 4 more slow. Take it down. 3, and down. 2. Last one slow. Now we speed it up. 1 count. Take it up and down. Lift and drop. We press and press. Woo! 4, 3, final 2. Hold this one up at the top. Take that little press to finish for 8. For 6. You made it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Drop your hips. Set your feet down. Walk them slightly wider than the hips. Take 1 weight on each hip. Let's just take 1 count. Lift. Up and down. Little lift, little drop. Press. Grand finale, guys. We're finishing in this bridge lift with those weights on our hips. Lift and drop. Hold the next one up at the top. Little lift. Little pulse. Pulse and pulse. Woo! Final push, you guys. Last 8. Here's 6. You've made it. 4, 3, 2. Hold and freeze at the top. Isometric hold. Maybe lift your heels. Yes, close your eyes. Breathe. Last 4, last 3, last 2. On 1, drop those hips down, lose those weights, pull your knees into your chest, rock it side to side. Whew, that was killer, guys. Let's take a quick little stretch just to open up those hips. Let's take our right foot across that left knee, finding that figure 4 stretch, and then option to lift that supporting leg up and off the ground, really opening up in that right hip. Feels good. Good, place that foot down, switch it out, hook that left ankle across your right thigh. Option to pull that right leg off the ground and draw the knees closer to the chest, but keep that knee open. Whew, nice work. And then set your legs down. Take a deep breath and give yourself a big round of applause, you guys. Hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you did, let me know in those comments. I love to hear from you. And I hope you're sore tomorrow, right? Because I know I'm gonna be. We'll see you next time.